In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Access Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in accessbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Access Bank. Now in order to open up a new account, just hover over to the login section at the top right corner and then you will find the register button alongside personal. Simply click on it and now you will be taken into the registration page. Now from this page, you will be able to register yourself to create a new account. Simply type in your customer ID and then click on the proceed button. Then the website will confirm the detail that you have just entered. Then you will be asked to enter all of your credentials, including your sensitive information. After entering all of your information, you will receive an authentication email on your email address. Once you click on the authentication link given within the email, you will be allowed to set up a password for your account. And after setting up your password, you can simply log into your Access Bank account using your email address and your password that you just used to set up. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Access Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.